Hi and welcome to my new video. In this video I want to share with you how I created my two animations based on the TV series From. I already painted 5 animations based on this series, and in this video I want to talk about my third and fourth animation. So let's begin. As always, you can see the process of creating here. First stage is my rough sketches, then line art, and the final colored version of animation. My first animation is, as I called it, mist scene from season 4, about Tabitha and Jade when they stuck in the cave and they wanted to get out, but they stuck there, and in TV series they used bones of the kids to dig their way out, which is very dark topic, and I thought, I can make it even more dark with dark humor, because if TV series have audacity to make these dark themes, I can make it even more darker and create weird jokes, because I have an opportunity and I can do that. The topic of this animation is what do you do if you're stuck in a cave and you want to drink and you found water but you don't have any cups. And you have only thing you have is bones. So yeah, that's what I did. I created animation based on this. My favorite moment of this animation is water. The way I painted the drip of the water, I think this is very good moment, and I'm proud of this moment because I was drawing it from memory/imagination, and this is another day when I was like, yeah, I think this is good, that I like to observe the world around me. And when I say the world around me, I'm talking about observing people, observing nature, observing buildings and different states of weather and nature. I think this is very important for artists, and especially for animators and people who draw from imagination. It's very important to observe the world around you, because the more you observe, the more your visual library in your brain become. I have a huge library of different things that I memorize, and it helps me to draw from imagination. I cannot say that I remember all of the things. For example, when I was drawing it, I needed to draw skull of a human, and to draw the bottom of the skull of a human, I mean this, this side of the skull where it's attached to the spine of the human. And when I was drawing it, I realized that I have no idea how skull looks underneath. I was like, how do I draw it? But I drew skulls in my life. It's just I have no idea how to draw. I had no idea how to draw this exact thing. So yeah, that's the first animation, and the second animation is about Man in Yellow, the dark creature from the From that came to this village, to this town, and was hunting humans. And this Man in Yellow suit is using this cover. He becomes this girl, daughter of pastor, and this is why other people have no idea that this girl is really a monster, a Man in Yellow. At this stage of the TV series, I think this Man in Yellow seems like someone who is impossible to defeat. But I found a way how to defeat this Man in Yellow, and I created this animation. And yeah, in my previous videos I was talking about how I think like I have similar face features of this Man in Yellow when he's in this girl appearance, and I was thinking like that maybe one day I could cosplay her. Who knows, maybe. The most difficult part of this animation was to create the background of this diner and the houses, because at first I messed up my water structure, and I wanted to create this sunny day with sunny light and dark deep shadows with purple and blue colors, and this reflection with orange light. And when I was drawing it, I could not understand what's wrong, but then I realized that my shadows looked not so dark as it's supposed to look, and I darkened my shadows, and all of a sudden my drawing became good and it started looking alive, and that was the solution for the problem. After I created these animations, I also painted my last thief animation based on TV series From. And when I say last, I don't mean it like the last animation and I would never create other animations based on TV series From. No, I'm saying that this was my thief idea, that I came up with this idea when I finished watching the 4th season, and this when I came up with 5 ideas, and I was saying that I want to finish these ideas, and well, I finished all of them. Maybe if I would have another ideas, I would paint another animations based on this TV series. But also recently I watched the movie Supergirl, plus I watched the movie Descendants 5-part, and I was thinking that maybe I should create animations based on these movies, and I'm not sure if I would create it or not, but this is what I'm thinking about. So yeah, that's what I've been creating recently. In my previous video I was talking about how I was lucky to finally swim. I was lucky enough to finally swim because it was good weather, and I was swimming almost every day during the week. This was very good because I like swimming, because I feel like I have soul of a mermaid. Plus this is very good because I was swimming after I was making animation, after I was drawing, and at that time I realized how good swimming is after you animate, because after you're making animations, usually my body hurts very much. My hand hurts, my back hurts, and also I have red eyes, and it feels like it's sand in my eyes, and it's not very good because I focus very much on animating, and I think due to this hyper focus my eyes start hurting, and I'm taking a breaks when I draw so my eyes could heal. But anyway, it's not very useful. I mean, it's working a little, but then I start focusing again and my eyes are red again. So yeah, but after I was making animation, my back hurt, I was going swimming, and after that my back was feeling very good. Everything was healed. I was thinking, like, for animators it's very important to train the this part of your body, I mean hands and back, and also give rest for the eyes, because animating takes a long time, many hours, and yeah, it can be not very pleasant after you finish the animation because everything hurts. But at the same time, you feel happy because you finished the animation and you can see your final product. So yeah, that's what I wanted to talk about in this video. In my next videos, I'll probably talk about how I created my 5th animation based on TV series From. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in next videos. Bye.